Hi guys, Lizette Ludwig here. Today I want to share with you guys why I love the FOREO UFO2 device and the Bear and why they're my favorite for collagen stimulation. So let's talk collagen, guys. Collagen is a protein and it is found in our body, and it's a major building block for our bones, our skin, our muscles, tendons, and ligaments. I like to think of it as like the glue that's holding everything together. Unfortunately, as we age, our body produces less and less collagen, and it's such a critical element of our skin. It truly is responsible for giving us that like youthful bounce that we all want in our skin. What depletes our collagen? There's several things that can really come into play when we're talking collagen and how our body breaks it down. UV damage, age, inflammatory diets, stress, and genetics. All of these factors play a role in how your body breaks down your collagen. Some studies show that diet plays a big role in how our body breaks down our collagen, and specifically diets that are high in sugar or really processed food. So the best thing you can do is eat and live a cleaner lifestyle. So now that we understand the way collagen works and how it's so important for our skin and what environmental factors affect collagen and its breakdown, let's get specific here and talk about the UFO2 device and how it works. It sends this light energy into our skin in order to trigger this reaction inside our cells, and then the red light turns on the collagen production, which increases your skin circulation and then decreases the inflammation. So think of it as actually using so many different therapies all in one treatment. So we're using heat, we're using cooling, we're using the pulsations and the LED light. Some people aren't into making appointments or going in to have these in-office treatments. The FOREO UFO2 device is a great option to have at home. The key to this is maintenance. I typically recommend that you're doing this treatment 3 to 4 times a week, and you have to set the time aside to really do it, but it's only 2 minutes out of your day. The beauty of FOREO products is within 6 minutes, you can have a full facial routine at home for your deep cleansing, for your at-home facial, for tightening and toning. So let's talk about the FOREO Bear and how it works with the electrical current to help stimulate these muscles and the collagen production in your body. The way it works is it actually transfers this energy into your cell membranes of your skin and your cells, which then it increases the circulation and improves the potential for your body to make more collagen. So when we're able to build collagen and repair elastin, then we're gonna feel like our skin feels so much smoother, tighter, and firm. So think of it as like a gym for your skin. For those of you looking to elevate your at-home beauty game, click on the link below.